Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you guys how to install these flashing modulars. This is for the LED third brake lights. I'll show you guys how to install this and wire it up. It's pretty easy and straightforward. Alright, so I got the clips off. I didn't take off the whole thing, I only took off half of it off and just bend it down. Alright, and the plug for the third brake light is going to be this one here. So you just unclip it and splice into it and wire it up. Alright guys, so I got pretty much everything hooked up. The positives, so the red goes to the green and white wire, and the black goes to the black and white wire. So from the videos I've seen, it's supposed to be in, you're supposed to install the in to the inside wire, the in to the inside wire, and the out to the outside wire, to the connector. But for some reason it wasn't working, so I did the reverse. I did out and in instead of in and out. So now I just have to see if it works. Well, I know it works now, but yeah, it's freaking weird because from the video I've seen it says in and out, but for me I had to do out and in. So as you can see, the wire right here. So there's the wire from the harness, goes out and it goes in to the connector. That's how it works for my car or the Lexus. For other videos I've seen, yeah, it was like complete opposite, in and out, but it's out and in for me. Alright, here's the test on the modular working. Alright guys, so that's pretty much how you guys install the modular. It's pretty easy, I say you can probably do it in 5-10 minutes as best. Difficulty level probably a 3 out of 10. But yeah, this is guys how you guys install the brake light flashing modulars. So after you're done, just well, I'm gonna put some 3M tape right here and just stick it up onto the right here onto the trunk and tuck the wires in and put everything back together. Pretty much it. Hopefully this help you guys out. If it do, drop a like, subscribe, and stay tuned on the build. Alright, peace.